Why is malaria common in the tropics, but uncommon in the US, even though we have lots of mosquitoes? Since malaria is carried by mosquitoes, why is it seemingly not found everywhere mosquitoes can be found? Malaria spread by one adult mosquito feeding from one infected person, taking up the parasite, then injecting that parasite to a second person. Since this cycle only involves adult mosquitoes, it is completely broken during winter if you're far enough north. If you can organize a campaign to cure malaria in humans during this winter gap, then the next spring mosquito bloom would not have any malaria to spread. This is not possible in tropical regions, where adult mosquito are active year-round. The persistent insecticide DDT was used very liberally in America. Of course it is now banned for good reason, but its widespread use curbed mosquito populations enough to eradicate several endemic mosquito-transmitted parasites when coupled with other measures like screens and nets. Only a certain type of mosquito transmit malaria. You also need three things: person, the mosquito and the third person. Also, mosquitoes don't travel the sea that easily. Though there are some cases of malaria in Latin America. The mosquito that bites you tonight lived its whole life cycle within 200–300 feet of you. They can carry malaria and other pathogens, but they have to bite an infected mammal before biting you. They don't bite. I know I'm just simplifying.